Hello, this is Duke Byte. We're going to learn another element of programming in C#, the conditional switch statements. Let's create a new file for our C# code. Attach the new C# file to the object in the scene. Now open the code in the editor. The switch statement is often used as an alternative to if statements if a single expression is tested against 3 or more if-else conditions. This allows you to create shorter and more readable code. We write the code using the if-else statement that is already known from the previous video. We create a variable that stores the item currently selected by the player. Assign a 0 value to the variable. Using the conditional if-else statement, write the code responsible for checking which item is currently selected. In each block of the code, the debug log command displays a message to the console informing about the type of item selected. Run the program and check if it displays us the appropriate messages for the values entered. As we see, everything works as we expected. Now let's try to write the same functionality using the switch statement. The conditional switch instruction allows you to check a given variable in the context of the list of listed values. In the selection instruction, an optional default case can be used. The default case is executed if no match is found. Each variable in this instruction is a case. The variable is checked for each case in the conditional statement. Any number of cases can be defined. Each case consists of a value and a colon comparison character. After the colon, we have a code that is executed. When the expression is checked between cases, and a match is made, the code inside the case block is executed until the break statement is reached. Now let's comment out the code of the if-else statement. Run the program and check if the program still works the same way after changing to the switch statement. As you can see, everything works the same as before, but now we have a shorter and more readable code. I hope that the video has been helpful. If you have any comments or questions, I invite you to the comments section below the video. Don't forget to like this movie and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.